Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware piece that promises to elevate your everyday cooking experience. We're talking about the Blue Diamond 12-inch Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet. This isn't just another pan on the market, it's packed with some seriously interesting technology, and we're going to break down exactly what makes it tick, and more importantly, if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, the diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating. Blue Diamond claims this surface is 5 times harder and 10 times longer lasting than traditional non-stick coatings. That's a bold statement, and the idea of using diamond infusion is certainly intriguing. Diamonds are incredibly hard and also remarkably conductive, which Blue Diamond leverages by saying they are 4 times more heat conductive than copper. This suggests the pan should heat up quickly and evenly, which is crucial for consistent cooking results. The benefit of this hardness and durability is that the pan is metal utensil safe. This means you can use spatulas, whisks, and even knives directly on the surface without worrying about scratching or damaging the non-stick layer. For many home cooks, this is a game changer, eliminating the need to constantly switch to silicone or wooden utensils. Beyond durability, the health aspect is a major selling point here. This pan is advertised as toxin-free, meaning it's free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This aligns with a growing consumer demand for cookware that prioritizes health and safety, offering peace of mind while you prepare meals for yourself and your family. The construction of the pan also deserves attention. It features a heavy-duty forged base designed for warp control. This means the pan should remain flat and stable on your stovetop, preventing issues like wobbling or the base degrading over time. This is particularly important for gas and electric coil stovetops where uneven heat distribution can be a common problem with lesser quality pans. Speaking of stovetops, this pan is compatible with all stovetops except induction, so keep that in mind if you have an induction cooktop. Versatility is another key feature. The Blue Diamond skillet is oven and broiler safe up to a remarkable 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows for seamless transitions from stovetop searing to oven finishing, opening up a whole range of culinary possibilities, from frittatas and baked dishes to pan-roasted meats. Cleanup, as you might expect with a high-quality non-stick pan, is designed to be a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, which is always a welcome convenience. However, given the advanced non-stick coating, many users will likely find that a quick wipe with a sponge is all that's needed, saving water and energy. The handle is made of riveted stainless steel, and Blue Diamond emphasizes its ergonomic design for a secure and comfortable grip. A well-designed handle is often overlooked, but it makes a significant difference in how the pan feels and performs during use, especially when it's loaded with food. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons based on these features. On the positive side, the diamond-infused non-stick coating promises superior durability and performance, along with the metal utensil safety. The toxin-free aspect is a huge plus for health-conscious consumers. The warp control base and high oven-safe temperature offer excellent versatility. And of course, the easy cleanup, whether by hand or in the dishwasher, is a significant advantage. However, there are a few considerations. While the pan is advertised as metal utensil safe, the long-term effectiveness of this claim under heavy, everyday use can vary. It's always wise to approach even the most durable non-stick surfaces with a degree of care to maximize their lifespan. Also, the exclusion of induction compatibility might be a deal-breaker for some users. While it heats quickly on other stovetops, those with induction may need to look elsewhere. Finally, while the price point for a 12-inch non-stick skillet is competitive, the initial investment might be slightly higher than a basic non-stick pan, reflecting the advanced materials used. In conclusion, the Blue Diamond 12-inch non-stick frying pan skillet appears to be a very well-designed and thoughtfully engineered piece of cookware. It addresses many common pain points associated with non-stick pans, from durability and health concerns to versatility and ease of cleaning. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance skillet that can handle a variety of cooking tasks while being safer for your health, this pan certainly merits serious consideration. Link in the description.